It just lost the skirt. Oh my god. I'm gonna let these cars go through so I can have some fun. My area, the best ways to find nice routes, nice roads are around the lake. Michigan is known for Great Lakes, so wow. Oh, look at that G-Wagon. Come on. What is that wing on this car? Yo. Just like that, that road is over. I don't even have the burbles set. Like, you know, I told the tune shop when they tune this car, don't give me burble tune. So these houses. That's how I keep rent low. A monster, man. Let's go. Woo! Oh! Wow. Oh, I found my road. Oh my. Oh my god, that was amazing. Alright, let it cool down. The best part about this car, even when it's on comfort mode, you can open up the valves manually. You don't have to be in a specific mode like other cars. The valves just open up as soon as you press this button right here. Hi, what up? Hi. Hold on. Let me call you back. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh no, I can't resist this. Let's do a light dig. Woo. This road's just amazing. That's the end of it. Man, that's like the 5th G-Wagon I saw today. But also this is like one of the richest zip codes in the state. So this is actually like a Prius over here. Not in performance of speed, just like price. Do a walk around the car. Look at the carbon fiber shining. I added this piece right here. There's actually 2 pros of adding this. Besides it looking, you know, a little bit better than the leather, it will protect it. So, you know, if you want to own this car for a long time, if you take this out after a couple of years, it'll look like new. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be throwing more videos like this, so please like and subscribe. Comment what kind of videos you want to see. I have a lot of more ideas coming through this channel, so if you guys can reach me to 1,000 followers, I'd highly appreciate that. Thank you. See you on the next video.